What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I want you to tell you the one big secret behind affiliate marketing using Facebook ads. There is only one factor which most people don't know how to utilize. People don't talk about it. Basically, it was marked as top secret by every big affiliate. It continuously changes and you need to know how it works so you can make your business on Facebook using affiliate marketing long term. So it's no longer a short-term vision you need to implement by getting some quick cash. You actually want to build a real business, maybe a 6-figure business, 7-figure, 8-figure, and it can all be done if you implement this secret well. So this is a sponsored video for the AFK forum, Affiliate Kickstart forum, my personal forum that I own. And I just launched a very big, very important topic, and I want to show you guys how it works. So there are basically two main factors you need to look at when you want to be dominating affiliate marketing using Facebook ads. And that is, you need to learn how to make good ads. My YouTube channel teaches you what you can do, how you can make good ads. If you join my Facebook group, there is a free 3-step training. It's 3 videos, 3 different steps on how to make good ads utilizing Instagram story ads and utilizing Facebook ads. It is very simple. Learning how to make good ads just needs practice. That's all. You might have to spend some time on it, some days, some weeks, some months, but sooner or later you will master it if you keep practicing. However, the other topic is obviously very important, and it is about ad accounts. So I get a lot of questions about the ad accounts. That's why I'm making this video. The ad account guide is only available to premium members of the AFK forum. I've specifically done this because I want people to commit by paying a very small fee of 27 euros a month to obtain this guide. How to do it and how to utilize it. Facebook rules are changing every single month. That's why I'm keeping this guide up to date so you will always have access to unlimited ad accounts if possible. What you need to know is that Facebook doesn't hate affiliate marketers. Facebook has certain rules. There is very big pressure from political point of view on Facebook, data protection, blah, 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 blah. So what Facebook wants is to obtain the most amount of money. They are looking for revenue, they're looking for profit because they are a business. That's all they care about. Now they have pressure from outside to implement certain strategies. So what they care about now is the perfect user experience, and apart from that, the most amount of money. So as affiliate marketers, not doing the gray hat stuff, meaning adult casino traffic, which is not allowed, it will get you instantly disapproved and banned. In this scenario, they allow your affiliate links, maybe running sweepstakes, maybe running e-commerce, cash and delivery, those kind of offers. They will allow it until the algorithm or the user experience is marked as not good by people reporting your ad, and they will take down your ads and maybe even your ad account, which happens a lot. So in the last year, I lost about maybe 22 ad accounts, and I'm very careful. So I know guys losing 30 accounts per month, so one a day. Even with a more advanced strategy that I'm showing how to do it in the AFK form. So these are not farmed accounts. These are very healthy accounts. They will not be banned within a week. This is aimed on longevity. This is aimed on building a long sustaining business model. And it can be done with affiliate marketing using Facebook ads, but people just don't know how to do it. So this is not a small loophole. It's actually very, very simple, but nobody thinks about this. It will require some effort. But it is very important. So as soon as you have unlimited ad accounts, you no longer have to be afraid to walk on thin ice. So a lot of people are afraid, what happens if I get my ad account banned? What can I do to prevent my ad account from being banned? The answer is nothing. Facebook will not give you a reason. That you will just tell you that you did not follow the advertising policies, and you didn't, because if you promote sweepstakes, it's kind of misleading content. So they're kind of right to ban you if needed. In this scenario, all you can do is have an arsenal of ad accounts. So if they ban one and you have 50 more, you just don't give a fuck. It's very simple, but you need to know how to obtain these ad accounts. And that's what I did today. So I'm going to show you. I am inside the AFK form. This is me. I have 275 posts in 2 weeks. I am very active. And I'm giving a guide. It's a very long guide on how to obtain these ad accounts. So as I said before, this video is about the AFK form. There is a payment wall. So I'm going to leave this guide in the description down below. You can join the forum and you can learn how to do this if you're serious about affiliate marketing. I'm not giving this information for free because it's just too valuable. And I know some of you guys are like, oh, but I can't afford it. If you can't afford it, you are not serious about affiliate marketing. You're not serious about your business. This is 27 euros. Like, what are we even talking about? But this is very detailed, and I want to give the opportunity to everybody to know that the content is now available. You can obtain it if you want, and you will learn how to get your hands on those ad accounts, how to build your business, not only on the front end, but also on the back end. So I will leave a link to this guide in the description down below. It will guarantee the longevity of your business. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.